Alright, this is how you can track Kaspa cryptocurrency wallet holdings completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Cas.fyi. Basically right here you can type in or you can paste a wallet address of your choice of Kaspa. You can click on it, and as you can see, this wallet does not hold anything. You can see the address on the top left hand screen, the balance, how many transactions, token transfers, pretty much everything. And you can go to another website called explore.kaspa.org, and you can paste the Kaspa address. You can search, and as you can see here, this is how much Kaspa this person may or may not have, or how much they may own. And as you can see here, it also shows the transaction history. You can click show details, and you can see what has been sent or what has not been sent completely for free online.